Assalamualaikum grade 4. Okay, we meet again. In this week we still learn about in the countryside. So it's all about the activity and also the past simple. Okay, next ya. In this unit, in this chapter, we will learn about the activities, the places in the countryside like the farm, field, river, mountain, and so on. And also the phonic sound of ow and o, and also the verb to or past simple. Now let's watch the video.
Last weekend, everyone had fun in the countryside. Mike, Ben, and Anne went to the mountains.
Dear Tom, last weekend we went to the mountains. When we were by the river, we saw the moon and the stars. They looked really cool. Yours, Ben.
The moon is so big.
I know, and the stars are so pretty.
Surprise!
Oh, Tinky!
Kelly and her family went to a farm.
Dear Sue, last Sunday we went to the countryside. When we were on the farm, the goat ate Mom's coat. It was funny. Love, Kelly.
Where's Tinky? Boo! Farm. Farm. River. River. Moon. Moon. Field. Field. Mountain. Mountain. Stars. Stars.
Page 44. Dialogue. Listen, read, say. What did you do when you were in the field?
First, we picked some apples.
Then we ran. The cow chased us.
Page 44. Practice 2. Listen, read, say. 1.
In the field. Picked apples.
What did you do when you were in the field?
I picked some apples.
2.
By the river. Fed the ducks.
What did you do when you were by the river?
I fed the ducks.
3.
In the mountains. Played in the snow.
What did you do when you were in the mountains?
I played in the snow.
4.
At school. Read a story.
What did you do when you were at school?
We read a story.
Page 45. Practice 3. Listen. Number. 1. What did you do last weekend?
I went to the farm. I picked some big oranges.
Did you see a lizard?
Ew! No! I saw a beautiful parrot.
2. Did you have a good time on the farm?
No, I didn't.
Why not? What happened?
When I went to the bathroom, the goats ate all my vegetables.
3. Were you in the mountains last weekend?
Yes, I was. It was really cold.
What did you do there?
When I was outside, I played in the snow.
4. Did you have a good time in the mountains?
Yes, we did. When it was dark, we saw the moon.
Did you see the stars too?
Yes, we did. They were beautiful.
Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon.
Page 47. Letters and sounds. Listen. Say.
Ow, mouse. Ow, house. Ow, shout. Cousin. Double. Trouble. Can you see the pretty mouse? She's on the stage outside her house. What's she shouting? Do you know? Double trouble, bubbles go.
Oke, udah ya videonya. Sekarang next kita lihat. Nah, ini suratnya
Last weekend,
Ben ke Tom.
everyone had fun in the countryside. Mike, Ben, and Anne went to the mountains.
Dear Tom, last weekend we went to the mountains. When we were by the river, we saw the moon and the stars. They looked really cool. Yours, Ben.
Nah, di sini teman-teman belajar yang
The
namanya
moon is so big. I know. And the stars are so pretty. Surprise! Oh, Tinky!
Kelly and her family went to a farm.
Dear Sue, last Sunday we went to the countryside. When we were on the farm, the goat ate Mom's coat. It was funny. Love, Kelly.
Where's Tinky? Boo!
Oke, di sini jadi tadi teman-teman sudah mendengar ada yang namanya describing atau menjelaskan gitu ya, menggambarkan sesuatu kayak beautiful, the moon, and the stars were beautiful, ya. Terus udah gitu ada kata-kata tentang place atau location, ada mountain, ada river. Ingat di sini deskripsinya menjelaskannya juga menggunakan past simple. When we were in the mountain, gitu ya. When we were by the river. Jadi jangan lupa ada past simple-nya. Nah, ini yang tadi teman-teman juga di sini bisa lihat ada past simple-nya sama ada location-nya juga. Nah, kita dengerin lagi
Page
ya.
43. Word family. Listen, read, say.
Farm, field, river, mountain, moon, stars.
Oke, next ya.
Page 44. Dialogue. Listen, read, say. What did you do when you were in the field?
First, we picked some apples.
Then we ran. The cow chased us.
Oke, jadi di sini teman-teman harus lihat ada kalau kata tanya apa yang kamu lakukan pakainya what did. What did you do when you were? When you were. Kalau nanya tentang dia, seseorang, jadi when she was atau when he was. Oke. Next.
Page 44.
Di sini sebenarnya teman-teman hanya mau bikin kalimat aja. Jadi kalau ada kata-kata in the field sama pick apples, in the field-nya itu pertanyaan, pick apples-nya itu jawaban. Jadi teman-teman cuman nulis aja gitu, cuma bilang aja what did you do when you were in the field? I pick apples. Oke ya, nomor 2-nya what did you do when you were by the river? I fed the ducks. Ingat, pick, fed, play itu semuanya pakai past tense, pakai verb kedua. Bukannya read tapi bacanya jadinya read. Tulisannya sama tapi bunyinya beda. Oke, next ya. Nah, yang tadi itu setelah teman-teman dengerin kalimatnya yang praktis halaman di 44 itu sebenarnya ada praktisnya kan. Nanti kita bahas ya praktisnya ini. Sekarang kita lanjut dulu. Nah, ini juga praktisnya. Nanti kita coba bahas ya. Ini juga, ini Miss Sulis ambil dari workbooknya. Jadi halaman 26, 27. Nanti ini kita bahas, kita isi ya. Kita coba ya. Nah, ini phonics sound-nya.
Page 47. Letters and sounds. Listen, say.
Ow, mouse. Ow, house. Ow, shout. Cousin. Double. Trouble.
Oke, di sini hurufnya sama O sama U, tapi yang satu bunyinya AU, yang satu Jadi kalau jangan salah pengucapannya, jangan mentang-mentang yang atas mouse, AU, yang bawah juga jadinya cousin, bukan ya, tapi cousin. Bukannya double, tapi double. Bukannya trouble, tapinya trouble. Oke? Nah, kalau yang atas mouse, house, shout. Jadi dibedain. OU ada dua bunyi. Satu AU, satunya Ini contohnya. Contohnya dari owl sama a.
Can you see the pretty mouse? She's on the stage outside her house. What's she shouting? Do you know? Double trouble, bubbles go.
Jadi bedanya ada ow sama ada ya. Mouse, ow, house, ow, outside, ow, shouting, ow sama double trouble. Oke. Nah, setelah teman-teman tadi ada beberapa praktis, ada beberapa latihan, teman-teman punya homework. Ada 2 nih homework ya, dari workbook. Workbook halaman 28 dan workbook halaman 29. Oke. Di sini ada kata-kata both are from your workbook. You fill the answer and take a picture of it then send to the link. Ini linknya. Nanti Miss Sulis akan kasih linknya. Oke. Nah, minggu depan kita ada PH, yaitu dari unit 3, Fun Vacation. Ya, jadi dari halaman 36, page 36 until page 41. Ya, both from your book and also from the workbook. Oke. Oke. Sekarang kita coba ngerjain latihannya yang tadi ya. Oke, sebentar ya. Oke, jadi kita lanjutin ya. Kita coba isi yang ini ya. Nah, ini isinya adalah sebentar ya. Selesai hapus dulu. Nah, ini teman-teman sebenarnya cuma mencocokkan aja sih. Oke, misalnya ke atasnya sebentar ya. Jadi teman-teman itu cuma nulis nomor 1, jawabannya adalah look up in the sky, you can see lots of this at night. Jadi kalau teman-teman keluar, lihat malam-malam ke langit, teman-teman bisa melihat banyak apa itu di langit. Ada mountain, ada field, ada river, ada moon, form atau stars. Yang banyak yang mana? Stars ya, jadi isinya stars. Nomor 2, you can see cows and horses here. Teman-teman bisa lihat ada sapi, ada kuda itu biasanya di mana? Di mountain, di field, di river, atau di farm? Oke, jawabannya farm ya. Nomor 3, you can see ducks here but you mustn't swim. Teman-teman bisa lihat bebek gitu di daerah itu, tapi teman-teman nggak bisa berenang di situ. Jadi kira-kira yang mana? Bebeknya ada di mountain, bebeknya ada di field, atau bebeknya ada di river, atau ada di moon bebeknya? Ada di river ya. Ada di river. Nah, nomor 4, dan nomor selanjutnya teman-teman bisa kerjakan sendiri. Oke, lanjut ya. Jadi ini untuk jawaban di workbooknya teman-teman. Ya, ini sama seperti di workbook. Sekarang kita lanjut ke praktis selanjutnya. Nah, ini teman-teman sebenarnya jawab dulu nih yang ABC-nya. Bentar, Miss turunin. Nah, kan seperti ini ya. Jadi jawab dulu nih yang A, B, C-nya. Teman-teman harus merubah dulu dari pick jadi pick, read jadi read, take jadi took, fit jadi fat. Nah, ini udah Miss tulis. Nah, sekarang kita coba isi nomor 1-nya. Nomor 1. When I was in the mountain, I took some photos. Oke. Nomor 2-nya. Jadi nomor 2-nya, when I was in the farm, I fed some chickens. Oke. Sekarang nomor 3-nya. When I was in the field, I pick. Kan gambarnya dia lagi metik ya. Jadi I pick some pears. Nomor 4. When we were in the library, we read a story. Jadi teman-teman di sini bisa bedain kalau misalnya orangnya cuma satu, teman-teman pakainya was. I was, she was, he was. Tapi kalau banyak pakainya were. We were, they were, you were. Oke. Nah. Sekarang kita cek lagi. Ini phonics yang tadi sudah. Ini juga rhyme-nya sudah. Nah, PR-nya tuh yang mana sih? Ini. Nah, ini ada 2 cerita nih. Yang pertama yang ini. My friend Jim lived on a farm in the countryside. I went to his farm last weekend. When we were in the field, we picked some apples. Then I saw some horses and cows. We fed the horses. Jim rode a horse, but I didn't. I was afraid. I watched them. It looked fun. Nah, pertanyaannya, Bill pergi kemana? In the countryside. Teman-teman cari jawabannya di sini. Terus ditulis di sini. Ya, tulis di workbooknya. Yang ini juga nomor 4, 5, 6 juga. Teman-teman cari jawabannya di bacaannya ini. After that, we went by a river for lunch. We ate some sandwiches. We fed the ducks too. They were hungry. Then we saw a rabbit. It jumped away quickly. I took photos of it. It was cute. Bill had lunch by a... Bill makan siangnya di mana? Ada tuh di kalimat yang tadi ya. He fed some. Dia kasih makan siapa? Oke. Ini yang halaman 28. Yang halaman 29 yang ini. Ini teman-teman ada road, stars, went, what, went, sama mountains. What did you do last weekend? I ... to the countryside. Aku ke, kalau ada to berarti ke countryside. Jadi kalau pakai ke tuh pakai apa? Pakai road, stars, went, what atau went atau mountains. Diisi ya. Nah, kalau yang bagian E-nya adalah cek yang beda bunyinya. Tadi ingat, OU ada 2 bunyinya. Ada AU sama ada Shout, double, cousin. Mana yang beda? Dikasih checklist. Mouse, house, trouble. Mana yang beda? Dikasih checklist. Semuanya difoto terus dikirim ke linknya. Nah, linknya yang ini. Oke. Kalau nggak bisa diklik nggak apa-apa. Nanti Miss kirimin ke Bunda Walasnya. Ya. Paling lambat di tanggal 16 Januari. Habis itu minggu depannya, hari Selasa minggu depan, kita ada yang namanya PH. Itu bahannya dari unit 3 di Fun Vacation. Oke? I think that's all for today. Thank you so much, grade 4. Wassalamualaikum.